When I was a kid, I used to love my dad's record player. It was a project that he made in college in electronics class, and it was a very cool record player, and it always reminded me of a potter's wheel. So when I got older and I found this old record player, I decided to use it for my craft projects, and that's what we're doing today. Hey everybody, I'm Mark, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making some crazy, colorful cardboard hearts. Now you can use these in an art journal, send them out as postcards, or pin them to the wall for wall art. It's up to you. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And I love it when you say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some crazy, colorful cardboard hearts. Create a flat surface using several layers of cardboard taped together. Try not to overthink your colors. Chances are that all of your favorite colors will look great together. A string of these hanging on a wall would look amazing, or you could even make a colorful heart mobile. I send happy mail almost every single day, and these hearts will be perfect to stuff in an envelope. You can grab an old record player at any thrift store or flea market, or also you could check on Craigslist. They're not expensive at all, and they're great for projects like this. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books, I think you'll like them, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description to those as well. And I will see you next week. Bye.